I'm a creep. Betty bought butter, but the butter was better, so she bought a bit of better butter. Now we're getting there. Not today. We didn't go nowhere today. Welcome. It's Wednesday, October 21st. I've lost today. It's not a good day. Not that much. The thing is, Dow Jones was starting on a green day. And as I said many times, I don't like trading on a red day. And then it turns out around 11:30. My goal here, and first of all, I've been doing that since 33 years. I'm not new to this world of day trading. I'm doing it on and off. And I've been trading for as long as I remember. So I'm not new to that. So what I'm basing my goal is using the VWAP, using the check-in. I always miss that word. The RSI, and then the MACD. I'm looking at all those one. Don't try doing day trading if not used to that. I'm not new in day trading, so thank you for all your warnings. But I've been doing that. So I've lost a lot of money. I've made some money. Now I've changed totally the way I'm doing it. One trade at a time, $50,000, not more, a little bit less. And I don't want to hold the stock more than 1 hour. If it goes nowhere, I have to make a decision. Especially with the Trump administration, you never know when that guy will tweet something or something goes wrong. So today, it's not a good day. I've lost. Let's look at what I've done. Okay. So first of all, one of my favorite one. I didn't buy it because it was starting really quick. Canopy Growth went really good from the start. And it did not present any more opportunity. The VWAP is here. VWAP is right here. And it could right here. But at that time, the market was going down at the same time. Where's the Dow Jones now? The Dow Jones is choppy. Went really quick, really strong, and then went down, back up. It's not really good. So right here could have been, and look at all the indicators. Okay, the down, almost the down of the day. RSI is very low. The money is flowing into the right direction, but look right after, money went the opposite way. The two lines were crossing here. So if someone, which I did not, but at 1950, I could have made 30 cents like this. I did not. It's going back up right now. So 19. It's funny. Canopy Growth is tied with the Dow Jones. I would have never thought that, but the Dow Jones now is probably picking up from its ground. Exactly. So the Dow Jones is coming back. Canopy is coming back too, even stronger. So I'll look into that Canopy this afternoon. I don't know. We'll see if I may make a move on Canopy. Usually I don't trade in the afternoon, but I've lost and I don't like losing. Sometimes you just have to accept it. So here's my two trade. I started at 9.39 buying AT&t at 26.60. It was going nowhere after almost 40 minutes. I sold it. I lose 3 cents a share times 18 cents minus 54. I lost $54. What AT&t was doing now 26.68, but it was just going nowhere. Look at the AT&t. And the reason why I sold AT&t is I wanted to get in ICLN. There's some days that you'll just choose the wrong horses, and that's exactly what I've done. So I've moved. I don't like, you know what, I don't care if I buy a stock and I sold it with my $500 profit and it goes up after, it's part of the game. So I just sold AT&T at exactly $26.57. So anyway, I don't look back, I look in front. So I moved and made money on ICLN, which is really interesting. ICLN, it's iShare Trust Global Clean Energy. So it's an ETF that I invest money into clean energy company. I think they have close to 100 company. So I've bought it at 1024, at 2079, 1024. Why I made that decision? 1024. Okay, right here. So the RSI was low. I was under the VWAP. Not that much, but 2,500 shares times 10 cents would have made $250. The money was above zero. The check-in was above zero. And 1024, the two lines were crossing right here. So I said, okay, let's make a move. The Dow Jones went south right after. So I sold at 2068, 1036, 15 minutes after. 1036. 1036. I sold it for 2068. 1036. Yeah, 2060, 1036. Okay, I sold a bit too quick, but I had enough. I said, you know what, the market is going nowhere. I should just accept and lose my money. And I've made a good choice because right now it's at 10. It never went back up, never. So it was not the right day to choose that one. So I sold it 1068. I had bought 2,500 shares for $51,000. I lost. So including commission, my loss of the day is 380. But look at, as we speak right now, what Canopy is doing. And probably because the Dow Jones is going back up. No, and Canopy is doing really great. It's picking up. So maybe today, again, it will be another day. I don't care. I own Canopy Growth in my city. And so I'm not in a hurry. I would love to trade it today, but right now it's just exactly at the VWAP. The price, the RSI is very high, and it's going to the green territory of the chicken. So, but it was really hard to find some good deal today. DraftKings is going, it's very dangerous with DraftKings. One interesting one, of course, is always Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, I didn't want to do it again because the Dow Jones was going, but every time Coke touches the RSI below 30, it's always back up. Here, 49.78, 49.93, almost 15 cents. And that's exactly my target. I'm not in a hurry, and I won't have $10,000 a day winning, and I won't be losing $10,000 a day. It's not my type of investment that I'm looking at. I'm just looking to make 20 cents, 25 cents, 50 cents. If I'm lucky one day, I may make $1, I may lose $1 per share. But don't expect me to go with low float stock, penny stock, and expect that it will go from 2 to 10. Look at Hertz. TZ, Hertz Global. Okay, this is the type of stock that I will not ever buy. Okay, that is gambling, and I don't like gambling. First, they're almost in bankruptcy, and it goes from this almost nothing here, $1.63, and go, wow. So it doubled, and now it's back. This is the type of stock that you won't see me trade. I was expecting to get in at TD Bank today. It's not a potential yet. It's exactly at the VWAP. Was expecting Pinterest is doing way too good right now. Not interesting. Schlumberger, right here would have been a good potential. Look at the RSI. RSI and VWAP, this is the two most interesting one for me that I make a decision. And of course, the chicken, when it goes back up, look from 1524 to 1539. I would have made my $500. What else? Harley Davidson, it's exactly where the price is exactly where it should be, so we're not touching that. Avaya is a bit on the low side right now. Not interested. Hubert is really interesting right now. As of noon, Hubert is really interesting. But again, it's are we still in the red territory? Yes, we are. So it's not the type of day that I really like. I'll be watching Canopy Growth this afternoon. I may make a move and let you know later on. Have a good day. Bye.